I'm going to get all utensils and ingredients we need for this recipe ready, but before we get started, let's talk about today's sponsor. This video is kindly sponsored by Waterdrop. Waterdrop is a reverse osmosis water filtration system. It's capable of reducing most harmful contaminants from water. It has a faster water flow and a lower water wastage compared to a conventional water filtration system, and it makes water extremely safe for cooking and drinking. I'll talk more about Waterdrop later in the video, but for now let's get started with the recipe. And I highly recommend the Waterdrop reverse osmosis system. I've used it for a while now and it's really great. The system itself is tankless, which means there is no bulky tank sitting under your sink. It's very portable and space-saving compared to the traditional reverse osmosis system. And one thing I like about the tankless design is there is no water sitting in a big tank, which means there's constant flow of water to prevent bacteria buildup. I'm going to leave all details about Waterdrop and a purchasing link together with a discount code to save you some money if you guys are interested. A big thank you to Waterdrop for sponsoring today's video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!